Someone asked me two questions. The first is, what is the location of this day? So let's solve this question. I have a table, location and date. I have to find out the location by the date. So here we can use VLOOKUP formula with date function. Here month and year is common. So the year is 2019 and month is May. Now I type year and month and select the date, and I freeze the day column. This lookup value. Now select the table array and column index number and exact match for 0. Now close the bracket. Now what I see, the result is Delhi. Let's move the second question. Find out the date by location given in the list. Okay. So here I have a list of location and I find out the date. So here I use the index formula. So now I select the array. Here date is my array because I find out the date, and now here I use match function for row. So location is my lookup array in the table, 0 for exact match, and now close the brackets. Now let's check the formula. Yeah, it just worked.